Hey everyone, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Kate Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Collective.
You are wild.
Because I'm so excited about this video.
She is beside herself. Beside herself, beyond yourself,
Behind
inside
myself.
yourself. Like, this is gonna be a thing. I just know.
It's gonna be a thing.
Yeah. But before we get to it, real quick, hit the subscribe buttons.
Make sure buttons.
Follow us.
Follow us on Instagram.
Because this video is going to be pushing all her buttons.
All
her buttons.
Y'all know
so you need to push them all too. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and hit the subscribes here.
Notify. Get a notification.
Yeah, get a notification. Follow us, share us, befriend us, message us.
Let us know, guys.
Send checks, send flowers, send vacations. We will take
all of it.
Yeah.
Viking cruise. We love the Viking cruise.
A Viking cruise. Oh my gosh.
Love a good Viking.
If someone sends us a Viking cruise.
The things that you will do.
Hey, whatever it takes.
Hey,
So Katie's so excited today because we are going to watch her favorite.
Jimin.
Yes, it's a feature. So we're going to watch Taeyang. I don't know Taeyang.
Yeah.
Taeyang.
I've never. I don't know.
I don't think I know him. Maybe we do and we don't. But again, suggestions. So we're going in this blindly. This song vibe. Shall we watch it?
Let's
I know
do
you're more than ready.
I'm in the vibe. I'm in the vibe.
Is this painful if I just pause it?
Oh. No, because I'm patient.
Oh, you wait for your men.
I do wait for my men, but I actually make them wait for me.
That's true. Well, it's like a playful thing.
Totally.
And that's why you caught your catch.
It's just the tease.
Woo! Oh.
Upside down.
I've never seen a video start with someone upside down.
Okay, I've never seen him with his shirt off. So let's talk
You're
about that for a second.
You are dead.
Oh my gosh, I love that shirt. What is that shirt?
Whoa. The footwork is just stupid.
Okay, where's that shirt from? Maybe come over next week and see James in.
I know.
Oh, what a fun song.
There you go. Oh!
Y'all, Jimin is killing me.
You're dying.
This blonde, for one thing.
Yeah, right?
And then what is this, like, sleeveless shirt right now? What a delicate place to play. I love this look.
I know, me too.
What a cool look.
It's a vibe.
It might be my favorite look of him.
It's a vibe. Oh! The
dance is
dances
like,
are-
I can't even stand it.
It's like it should
It
not.
is a whole other level of
It should not be
hot,
allowed.
sexy,
No,
everything.
totally.
I love the all black suit too. Guys, done.
Golly.
Done.
I don't know many people in this country of America that dance like
No,
that and
no.
put off those vibes and
No.
that confidence. Ugh.
Are you kidding? So
Talk.
For me, a weakness is a really good dancer because I've always loved it, though I've never been a dancer.
Wait, you dance all the time?
I do dance all the time,
Oh,
but
you
I've
mean
never
like
done like
professional,
yeah,
yeah.
like I've never been like a backup dancer professionally.
Right.
I love to feel music. I just love that way of expressing.
Sure.
Of expression and art.
Sure.
And so I really respect and admire talented dancers. It's just something I've always been in awe of for so many years. So, and you put a gorgeous,
Wow, that took a minute to say.
a gorgeous man dancing.
Yeah.
And it's just, I'm done. I'm swooned.
You should go downtown Broadway with me sometime.
Oh, yeah? Do a good little honky tonk twist.
It's the sexiest
You
thing
put a little bit of Jimin in it.
Sexiest thing you've ever
Oh my
seen.
gosh. Hashtag best look ever for him so far.
Yeah, that is so good.
I love the blonde. Also, what a fun, everyone does their solo projects, right? But when they bring in a friend for collab or a friend from the group for collab with stuff like that, that's still just really fun.
Yeah, again, collaboration is the name of the game.
It really is.
That's why we call it Vocal Lab Collective, everyone. But hey, cheers to
Little
that.
thing.
Yeah, for me, it's hard to watch Jimin and all his friends because I'm really down low Jamelis.
Jamelis.
I'm Jamelis. I'm so Jamelis
I'm
because
not, because I will meet him one day.
you will. I'm just Jamelis that I can't dance like that.
Oh my gosh.
You know, or I just don't have that. I mean, I've never.
Oh my gosh, I have an idea.
What? You scared me. I thought someone was coming in the room.
No. Carlos,
What?
write this down. We're going to film. We're going to take a dance class together.
Oh my god.
And we will put it here on YouTube. We'll do it to a BTS song. Or
let us know if
maybe
you want us to do that.
Yeah, let us know.
If we get enough comments, on that, we will do it.
How fun. And I'll tell you this. When it comes to a class, I'm horrible. When it comes to freestyle, oh my gosh, you're going to be like...
I'm
wait.
already nervous. I'm already sweating.
No, it'll be so... Oh my gosh, so good. I'm so excited.
I'm so scared.
No, I'm so excited. We're going to do it to this song if y'all want to see it.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, who are you?
I am Jamelis Jason Catron.
And I am Katie Jimin. Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.